What's going on, guys? Today we have two 15-inch Cerwin Vegas that I'm going to be flipping this subwoofer around because the subwoofer is upside down. And I have a pounding migraine right now. My head really hurts. So I got this Pioneer receiver in here. Sounds good with these big speakers because they're meant for Pioneers, not without Cerwin Vegas. So yeah, we're gonna take an Allen wrench and get it out because it needs to be flipped upside down. So yeah, and we've got super tweeters. So yeah, I'm gonna just flip them around and play sound up and play music out of them, not just sound. So yeah, let's do this. Alright, so we got the speaker right here. Now we're just gonna find what size Allen it takes. Pretty sure it's one of the smaller ones. Even smaller. Okay. This one, alright. That wasn't super tight. And they're pretty unstable, so. And this piece speaker right here needs foam surround. It's common in Cerwin Vegas speakers like this, like these, because it's very common. They even sell kits for them, like $50 kits that you can repair your speakers with. So here's the speaker. It's pretty big actually. It doesn't say the wattage or anything. It literally says no wattage or nothing. Absolutely zero. So we got these for free, and there's a shirt in here and some foam and a football. That football is on the other side of the port, so we're gonna get that shirt out. We should stock too much of foam. Yeah, so let's do like, you guys can see that? You guys can't. We're gonna just put this over here. I'm gonna set it up just like that, and then we're going to move the speaker and the box at the same time. And we're gonna get a time lapse of me getting the foam out and of just everything else working out. I'm not knowing what else to say, so I'm saying literally random words. Yeah, that's that stuff. So something just like this. I don't have a tripod. I really need to get one. So yeah, then we'll get a knife and stuff. Okay, I'm not sure that we're gonna need a knife for this. Actually, might need a knife for most of it. It's expanded foam, so it's really hard to get off, especially when it gets on your fingers. It's a pain in the butt, and it just really sucks. Look, a rainbow. So whatever we can't get out with our hands, we'll just cut out with a knife. One of these things, these multi-tools. I'm not gonna just grab it. That's just gonna make a mess. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that'll just make a mess. Yeah. Well, let's put this in like a time lapse So yeah, here we go. I was afraid that would happen. Now you see the net in the wood. Let's cut that off so it doesn't rip the whole thing, so I'm gonna pause it right now. Alright, I got most of this foam out. There's there's good foam up here like that. The good foam version of this stuff. That's like for beds and stuff. But yeah, now we're gonna put the speaker in and take that one out and take a look at it. So yeah, let's put that back up and let's go. Okay. But yeah, that's, now they're both up. Oh god, dropping all my stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna have to trade out of my SD card to my storage on my phone because I only got like 5 minutes of recording left. Okay, so we're gonna take this thing and put it. Whoa. I don't know if you guys see that on the screen. What? Okay, well, I don't know. We're gonna take this thing and plug it into this thing. That's kind of weird. So yeah, let me go grab my RCA jack.
Walk into the club like, what up? I got a big pack. Now I'm just pumped. I bought some shit from a thrift shop. Ice on the fringe is so damn frosty. The people like, damn, that's a cold ass honky. Rolling in hella deep, headed to my